I styled this hair for a while before I realized that my camera was not filming. It was on, it was working, but I don't know why it was not filming. And yeah, I just decided to say, okay, let me show it from this way, but I'm still going to explain it to you guys. So what I did not use for this hairstyle or for this hair tutorial is edge control. Did not use it. And the reason I decide not to add edge control or to use edge control, I just want to do it without it, and I want to see the outcome. So I want you to tell me what you think about the outcome, if you like the result, if it's okay, or if it would be more better or more neat if I use edge control. So I didn't use, but what I did use is hair moisturizer. I always say it, don't forget to always use hair moisturizer. And I also sprayed with rosemary water. So there was a time I was also spraying their hair with just water, but I must moisturize it. So, and yeah, how I section the hair is very easy, because the reason why I'm adding kicking coil to the tip, as you can see the way I'm doing it now, the reason why I was adding something to it, because I wanted the style I want to create. I just want it to be this how I can get this hairstyle this way. That is why I added it. If not, a hair is enough for me to just do, and I will get just normal simple hairstyle. But because the way I want it to drop and the way I want the tip to be, just keep watching to see how we are going to I'm going to do it at the end. So that is why I added what's it called, it's not edge control, because I did this edge control this that is why I added a kinky afro to it, just to make it look more natural. Kinky afro is also like hair. So I just only added once, not twice. Only once is enough for me to just round up the hair. So I don't know why my camera is kind of lagging today. I really don't know what happened. So I added once just to drop the tip of the hair more than her natural hair, because I'm going to roll it after that. So this hair is very simple, but it's beautiful. Like when she went out with this hair, people were just kind of complimenting her, telling her that her hair look amazing. And me using different color, which is two types of bead, is also what I just feel like I should use. So that is the more reason I added why am I calling this thing why am I calling this thing edge control? That's the more reason why I added a kiki afro to it, so I can be able to tie it the way I want, arrange it the way I want, and all that. So I don't know what's really wrong with my camera today. Please, let's just manage it, okay? So, and yeah, for the pattern, it's just so simple. You see, the hair is fine, it's neat. So if you know how to make hair, you can make hair with or without edge control. But yeah, some people want to make it even more nicer, more beautiful, and all that. So, and for now, this one you're watching right now, this is Bianca's hair, and this one I'll be making her more of cornrow, but a very simple one, because she don't have patience to sit. Like when you're making her hair, she keep asking me, "Mommy, are you not done? You're taking too long," and all that. So that is why sometimes I just decide to just make her a very simple, like scanty hair, so that she will get up on time. Even if she's watching tablets, she will prefer to rather sit on her own to watch the tablet also, than to just, yeah, like you see she's shaking her hair than for you to just want to be making her hair. She's not really patient with me. And yeah, so, and I was just kind of doing it fast. If not, if it's were to be her elder sister, I would have make the line, which is the size of the hair, more tinier, because sometimes I like to just make a clean neat hair and more tiny, but with her I have to make it a bit big and as much as possible, so that she can rest, get up, and for me also to get up. It's cold, and since it's not just summer, but it's getting cold, so sitting in one place sometimes it make you even feel more colder, even if it's so, except it's really the really summertime, you know. So guys, just please manage, bear with me with this the way this camera is doing today. Just try and bear with me. Let's just manage it this way. So thank you. Now we are done. It's the way I did it now. So after I finish all this hair now, I'm going to add it's not the bead I'm putting in the front, I'm going to put in the back. So I just decided to make it like that, you know. When you're making hair, I just like to be creative. I just like to put my own idea, just put them together to see how it's going to be. So after I think I added 5 to 6 bead in this hair. So first I made a mistake. Just keep watching to see to see what happened. This is what I did here. So when I rolled it too tight, so the hair refused to fall. So that's what happened here. So I rolled it. See the way I was doing it now? It was too tight. Just see. Keep watching to just see what I'm trying to explain, so you don't make this mistake I made. So when I do it was too tight, so the hair refused to fall just like this. So I had to like loosen it again, then to re-roll it so that the hair will fall. And yeah, so when you are rolling it, make sure there's a space between the beads you are putting, so that there will be the hair can be able to relax. So just like so, you see, after I rolled it, I used rubber band to secure the edge. That's it. I didn't put it in hot water, I didn't burn it, you know. So if you see the way I'm doing it now, the more I drop my hands down, the more I drop the bead down. You see, this is what I'm saying. So at the back I use blue, and the front I use what do they call this color? White. Will I call it white or so there's the color I used. Let's just call it white. The transparent, we call it transparent white, right? So I use this way, the same, I think the same number. I think four beads I use, or five. Yeah, I think is I use five. Yes, I use 5 beads in each one. And yeah, the hair was so beautiful. And one thing I like about Bianca, she always like me to put like, she always like me to do to put the bead that she wants. See, so now we are done. This is the result of the hair, and I hope you like this hairstyle. And are you going to try it on your daughter? If yes, and I want to know in the comment section. So thank you so much. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also help us to share. It's just for a way to support our channel. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.